Hi everyone, I'm here to choose a winner for the giveaway we were having on our Cheers to the Ears swap. It was hosted by Blonde Amazon and From Cheap to Chic. I will leave the video listed below if you want to go ahead and check it out. I had 17 comments with the secret hidden giveaway word. One person was not a public subscriber, but if that person wins, they will just have to show like screenshots of them being subscribed to our channels. That was part of the requirements. So I took some pieces of paper and numbered them 1 through 17, doing this kind of old school. So go ahead and email me. I will leave my email in the description box below, and I will put you into contact so you can get your prize. All right, guys, good luck. Oop, that one I could see that number. Let's cover that up. Well, there was 2 there. Okay. Make sure here we mix them around. Alrighty, this one looks, oh. The winner is, let's see what that is. Oh, 1 giveaway. Let's see. A bullet for my snail mail. Yay! You are the winner. So please go ahead. Again, email me. My email will be in the description box. And thank you everyone for watching and commenting. And I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.